Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Civic rear brake pads. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then place wheel chocks. Loosen the rear lug nuts slightly before lifting. Use a jack and support the car on jack stands, never rely on the jack alone. Remove the wheel, inspect the caliper and mounting bracket, and organize bolts and small parts for reassembly. Compress the caliper pistons slightly to create clearance for new pads using a C-clamp or brake caliper tool, keeping the reservoir cap open. Carefully remove the caliper bolts and hang the caliper on the suspension with a hanger or bungee strap. Slide the old pads out and inspect the rotor for deep grooves. Clean the caliper bracket and apply brake grease to contact points for smooth pad operation. Place new brake pads into the bracket, making sure shims and clips are aligned and seated. Reposition the caliper over the pads and secure the caliper bolts, torquing them to the recommended specification. Reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even seating. Pump the brake pedal slowly until firmness returns, then perform a short test drive to bed the pads and confirm proper braking performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.